야채 안좋아요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is anjoyo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word anjoyo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 155. Anjoyo. Anjoyo. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is an, second syllable is zo, third syllable is a, and fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. Anjoyo. The word anjoyo is just the opposite of joyo. It means I don't like it or it's not good. How do we spell anjoyo in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable an in Hangul, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang, followed by an a character, followed by a nyeon character. For the second syllable jo, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an o character, followed by a hiut character. For the third syllable a, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang, followed by an a character. And lastly, for the fourth syllable, we need to draw first an iyang character, which serves as a placeholder, and a yo character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word anjoyo. And that's it, how you write anjoyo in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word anjoyo, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I don't like vegetables. The Korean translation of this sentence is 야채 안좋아요. Again, it's 야채 안좋아요. The word 야채 means vegetables. And the word 안좋아요, which is our word for today, means I don't like it. And therefore, if we combine the meaning of these two words, it would result to a sentence that means I don't like vegetables. Again, please remember that anjoyo is just the exact opposite of joyo, and we just added an to negate joyo. So, looking back at the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 야채 안좋아요 is simply I don't like vegetables. And with that, you've just learned anjoyo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 145 to 154. But don't forget our word for today, word number 155, anjoyo. It means I don't like it or it's not good. The first word for our review, word number 154, is joyo. And this is the opposite of anjoyo. It means I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is 몰라요. And it is used to say I don't know. Word number 152 is 알아요. This is also just the opposite of 몰라요. It means I know. Word number 151 is 아마도. And this is used to respond or say maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is used to say goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is 한 번, and this means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman. Word number 146 is 아저씨, and this is the Korean noun for an old man. And the last for our review is word number 145, emo. And this is the Korean noun for aunt. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.